gosh, back in June. Buddy Drew Brush. We decided to do Pineview Run. It's been on my list for a long time. Seems like mostly private kind of club track. Very few open to the public days a year. I only found one the entire year for this year. Maybe I'm not looking in the right place. So if there are better places to look to drive at Pineview Run, definitely let me know. Leave a comment, because I haven't been able to find them. I know they do kind of time trial racing days there. Just looking for open lapping at Pineview. So if you know about it, let me know, because I'd love to drive there some more. Fantastic track. Small, tight, lots of turns. What is it? 13, 18 turns, 20 turns. I'm just gonna make up some numbers. Had a lot of turns. I looked it up. 15 turns, 1.1 miles, and over 250 feet of elevation. A lot of elevation for such a short track. Primarily use second gear in my car, which is rare to even use second gear at all at most tracks in my car. Really, really cool track. If you've not had the opportunity to drive there, I definitely recommend it. I think you can have fun in any car. I mean, if I drove that and had fun with it, I think you would really enjoy driving it in just about anything. And if you don't, maybe you need to work on your car control skills. Not saying, just saying. Got to try out my slicks for the first time, which was really, really nice. Just to kind of break them in, heat cycle them in. I really wanted to do the sub 140 at Gingerman. First time out on the slicks, huge difference with wheels that are much wider, an inch wider, tires that are an inch wider. The whole assembly must have been 5-10 pounds lighter a corner, which is huge. So putting an inch more rubber on the ground with less weight is always a big deal. S2K Takeover, S2000 Club, shout out to those guys. Super smooth event. You can drive any car you want with their events typically. So again, you know, drive it, it's fun. love to get back up there sometime. But if you guys are looking for a fun, busy track, Pineview Run's awesome. Super, super fun. Definitely recommend it. Hey, we're gonna do some vlogging. It started raining after doing the track day on my drive home on the highway. We are actually parked under a bridge here because it's not raining under a bridge. So they got these plastic windows that I have to open the door to make it go up and down, and I don't have a switch over here anymore, so I have to reach over and push the switch over there. I don't know, maybe we'll use this water bottle or something. Oh, we did it! We've done it. We got one window. The only thing that sucks is I kind of have to open this door a little bit, and I'm really right on the other side. But I gotta do what I gotta do because it's raining pretty good. Crazy storm. 3 hours later, we're able to wrestle the window back up. Got this thing freaking peeled off here. Got some Velcro. Gotta fish around here with one arm. Pain in the ass. What a stupid thing to save 20 or 30 pounds. But hey, now it'll probably stop raining. Well, it's a little bit better than driving a convertible. Got the window up. Like a big go-kart track, but keeps you busy. It's a mile long, 15 turns, second gear most of it, third gear here and there. I don't think I went faster than 70 or 80 miles an hour. Super, super fun, technical little track. I don't know if you can see back here, but got the RS4, the Hankook RS4 255 street tires, 200 tread wear. They're pretty toast, but they're still pretty quick. I actually put the slicks on, got a heat cycle in them, super fun at 7/10, plenty of grip, pretty nice. Holy moly, is it raining. Maximum windshield wiper speed from 1995. Pretty awful. What are you gonna do? Drive slower, I guess. 50. Probably my favorite part